Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho with some of my 12 most favorite cook stoves on the lake, and I have some beautiful place to be able to shoot my stoves. And today I want to do a product comparison for you guys between the Teba, this is the TKS-19, and the Concept 2 Air Mini. I'm super excited to be here today and to be able to do this because it's super rare that I get to burn two stoves side by side like this and show you guys. So yay, here we go. All right, so the Concept 2 Air Mini over here is a stacked model. Obviously, both of these are going to be stacked model cook stoves. Both of them are capable of burning wood and coal. So if you have access to coal, that can be a great way to heat your house for affordable and get high BTU output. Number two features are going to be the baking oven. I'll talk about that a little bit. I do think that the baking oven is a little bit bigger here on the Teba. Well, actually, no, I think they're pretty comparable. One thing I will say about the Teba, though, is the Teba does not have a rack for the oven, and so you have to place your food directly on the bottom unless you get like a sit-up rack that you can slide in the oven. Whereas the Concept is going to come standard with a one-level oven rack. So that's a pretty nice selling feature on the Concept 2 Air Mini. Overall, the footprint of the stove is going to be a little bit smaller on the Mini. The Mini is 21.5 inches by 22 inches by 22 inches on the overall. And I believe that this one is 24 and 3/4 by 24 and 3/4. So the Teba is a slightly larger footprint. Now, the Teba does have a three-sided panoramic glass, which I hope you guys can see in the shot, and that is absolutely beautiful. The Teba products are the only cook stoves available on the market with this three-sided panoramic glass, and these models are imported from Turkey. The Concept Mini over here is imported from Serbia. Both products I've been selling for, well, the Concept I've been selling for over 10 years now. The Teba we've been selling for about 5 years, and we have had excellent success with the product, the quality of the product withstanding, and very little replacement parts needed other than maintenance items such as standard door gaskets. Overall, with the stacked model cook stoves, I would definitely say that this Teba model gets a lot hotter, and your baking oven and the cooktop in general are going to get hotter than this Concept 2 Air Mini. You can do some small cooking on the cooktop, but if you were to boil water, it would definitely take you a lot longer over here on the Mini than it's going to take you on the Teba. Both models are going to have your standard ash pans located at the bottom where you can easily do your clean out and remove your ashes. Be sure to save your ashes. There's tons of uses for that. Check out my other videos on how to use your guys' ashes. I hope that you guys found this product comparison helpful between the Teba, the TKS-19, and the ABC Concept 2 Air Mini. If you guys like my videos, if they're helpful, informational, and educational, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.